Hi everyone, welcome to Hot Plate. My name is Saeed. Today I am going to make salmon teriyaki and I am sure you will love it. This is the ingredient for salmon teriyaki and this will be in the screen. Basically, Barberry is dry berry and you could buy this in Middle East shop. We start off by marinating the fish. We will make few slices to the fish so the marinade could go all over fish, even inside. Just nice and gently. That's it. Put some salt and pepper on it. Depends on what you like, how much you want. Next, we put some teriyaki sauce in the plate. We shake it so it is all over. And we put our salmon inside. Now we put the rest of the sauce all over the salmon. And we rub it gently all over. We are wrapping it now. And this is ready to go to the fridge. A couple of hours had passed. Now we are going to bake the potato before we are going to remove the fish from the fridge. We are going to put some salt and pepper on all of them to make it more tasty. Next, we will put dill all around it, a sprinkle of oil. That will be sufficient. We put 10 ml of oil all over around the potato and this tomato. And next we put some butter on the middle, so when it is melting it will be tasty and nice. I had preheat the oven at 200. Now I am going to put my potato and tomato in the oven to be baked. It takes maybe 5 or 7 minutes, just keep an eye on it. We will put the fish in the pan. The pan is in low heat to medium heat. Now we close the lid and let it to be fried. Now we remove the lid. And we put few strings of dill on top of it. And we close the lid and we let it fry. In the medium heat. We almost finished. We have sauteed the barberry. We had baked the potato and tomato, and the rest of the kitchen is ready. We put the baked potato in the dish. We put our tomato, pineapple, avocado, our ham, olive, some lemon, squeeze all over. And finally, our berry. Now we are going to put the sauce. Basically, this is seafood sauce, which I add just some light cream on it. Finally, we finish it with some sprinkle of parsley. Now it is finished, ready to be eaten. I hope you enjoy of it. When you are making it, it's going to be very yummy. I am sure you will love it. I am Saeed from Hot Plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe.